Hey everyone, I'm quickly going to show you how to get to our databases and so forth. So you guys are doing a self-directed research project on a country, continent, or city. So I would like for you to click on Firefox, Chrome, or Edge. And when you do, it should open up our TP Library Symboloo. If it's not there, you just type in TP Library Symboloo and then it'll pull up. So a couple of things. What I want for you to do is when you're doing your research, remember you need to take notes first. So you're not starting PowerPoint yet. You need to have a couple pages of notes and figure out your 4 areas that you're going to be researching. When you get to our TP Symboloo, you'll see that I have our databases next to each other. We would like for you to start with databases first and library books. Those are all credible resources. You don't have to go through and decide, oh, is this a credible resource or is this just someone's opinion or information that they got from when they were traveling. So please start with our databases and come to the library and grab some books for your research. Yes, you have to search for the information. So I have them all ready for you, Facts for Me, World Book, and PebbleGo. So if you want to, you start with World Book for me. PebbleGo might be a little too young for you, but there's Kids, Student, and Advanced. These are your research tools that you're going to use. I'm going to click on Student. My city is, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do Paris. So I type in Paris. The encyclopedia articles in World Book, it brings up 1,104, which I'm not going to do. But I'm going to click on the first one. And, for my area, I want to do the history, the economy, and tourism, and so forth. So I'm going to find the information of that area. So just the city, this is their introduction. This gives you a good example, not one that you can copy for your introduction, but a good example. So I read through and find my information. So like Culture Life, I can click on that. If I'm doing things like the Culture Life and find out about the arts, the museums that it has, and remember to take your notes, okay? So once you've got that ready and all your notes done, then you're ready for the next step. But this is where our databases are. Thank you and enjoy.